Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable limited entry submission in Form. If you want to disable the form after certain entries, you can use this feature. Suppose you have decided that after 100 times submission you want to disable the form, then this feature is for you. Let's get started. To begin, click on your form name. Next, navigate to the Settings section. Turn on the Disable this form after limited entry. I have restricted my submissions to a limit of 2 in this video. Now click on Update. Now let's submit the form a couple of times. You see the form successfully submitted. If you try to submit another form now, you will receive a message informing you that the limit has been exceeded. Thank you for watching the video.